Hey Kayla, would you rather buy the 2017 Ford Taurus on our lot or the 2017 Chevy Equinox, and why?
I would rather purchase the 2017 Equinox because it has more room and I have kids.
Nice. Hey Vanessa, would you rather purchase the 2017 Ford Taurus on our lot or the 2017 Chevy Equinox, and why?
2017 Chevy Equinox. I really don't like Ford. I like Chevy, so I have the space and it's more comfortable. It's a little bit higher to the ground, from the ground.
Hey Haley, would you rather purchase the 2017 Ford Taurus from our lot or the 2017 Chevy Equinox, and why?
I'd rather pick the Ford Taurus because it has tinted windows and a remote start.
Hey Maya, would you rather purchase the 2017 Ford Taurus or the 2017 Chevy Equinox, and why?
The Ford Taurus, because it's got tinted windows and a backup camera.
Hey Ryan, would you rather purchase the 2017 Ford Taurus from our lot or the 2017 Chevy Equinox, and why?
Equinox all the way. That's way more my style.